Hey there, it's me, Simon.
Hooray!
I hope those sessions on organization and time management have been helpful. I'm back to teach you some more skills to help you do your best. This course will focus on the skills you need to be successful at taking tests. There's a lot to it, you know. First, it's a good idea to set goals for yourself. Just like in soccer, a goal is something that you aim for and work to attain. When you set goals, it motivates you to succeed. Second, you need to know how to get the right information for the test. Taking notes and reading are two important ways that you are going to get the information you need to succeed on a test. Third, you need to know what to do with all that information you collect from reading and taking notes. In other words, I'm going to teach you how to study the information for your test. Finally, it doesn't hurt to have a few tricks, tips, and strategies to help you do your best on the test itself. So I've got some of those for you too. Are you ready? Let's do this.